Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all, guys? I hope so. You all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty sewing craft ideas. These are very amazing and very unique sewing craft ideas. These are super amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are super incredible and very pretty and very unique ideas for you guys. These are very unique and very pretty sewing craft ideas for you guys. Follow for more details, and if you want different other craft videos, then you also must leave the comment in the comment section and tell me which kind of video you want from me. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, take care, bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.